Today is going to be an interesting day because while there's going to be President's address in the joint setting of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, but politics has erupted over Sengol even before the President's speech. Sengol was likely to be a part of President's procession, but the Samajwadi Party's Member of Parliament is demanding the removal of the Sengol from the Parliament. He's called it Raja Ka Danda Jai at Sengol in the Parliament. This is the big news coming in. Remember that Sengol, as you're looking at the earlier visuals of when the inauguration had happened of the new building, that Sengol was brought in with much fanfare, and even then there had been a lot of debate and discussion around it, but now it's very interesting. It looked like the matter had been settled. But the Samajwadi Party has used a word, Raja Ka Danda, a king's stick, so to say. The gold-plated silver spectre, remember, that was installed in the new Parliament House, and originally, as it was believed, was gifted to Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of the country, and it was a ceremony that had happened, and similarly, in a grand manner, that Sengol was brought into the new Parliament. But the Samajwadi Party is saying that this Sengol has no place in our Parliament. Amit Bhardwaj is joining me. Amit, what possibly has happened? Because it did appear that Sengol has been placed. There was a lot of appreciation, discussion around it, but the matter appeared to be settled. What's now?
Pooja, in this case, this is newly elected MP from the Samajwadi Party, Chaudhary, who made out this demand. Ankit Chaudhary, who is MP from Mohanlalganj constituency, Uttar Pradesh, is Lucknow. And he is saying that I've taken the, oath of the constitution and I want the Sengol to be removed. It is rather a suggestion and request made by the Samajwadi Party MP saying that, the Sengol should be removed, the replica and a constitution should be placed in its place instead in the Parliament. And maybe the argument behind it, or the logic behind it, is that the members are taking oath of the constitution. But you rightly pointed out there was a lot of deliberation already in place before placing that Sengol in the Parliament, and it has its own relevance and the cultural importance to it, because of which it was placed inside the Parliament. Now we'll have to see as to how the government responds to this particular demand, or the chair responds to this particular demand. Thank you. Pooja.
So, Amit, we'll shortly listen in because this is Member of Parliament R.K. Chaudhary who has said, because it looks like he hasn't said just this, he has also said, are you trying to replace it with the Constitution? Because there are all sorts of comments that are coming in. In fact, just stay on because I want to play for a viewer what Samajwadi Party MP R.K. Chaudhary has said. Why is he targeting the Sengol here?
बीजेपी सरकार ने, खासतौर जो पिछली सरकार है, मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में उस संसद भवन में जहां स्पीकर बैठते हैं दाहिनी तरफ, सेंगोल स्थापित कर दिया है। सेंगोल तमिल भाषा का शब्द है, उसका हिंदी माने है राजदंड, राजदंड का और हिंदी माने है राजा की छड़ी, राजा की छड़ी और माने है राजा डंडा। कभी राजा जब अपने दरबार में बैठता था तो फैसला करता था, एक डंडा पीटता था, छड़ी पीटता था। अब इस देश में 555 राजाओं को सरेंडर करके ये देश आज़ाद हुआ है, और अब हर वो व्यक्ति, चाहे महिला हो चाहे पुरुष हो, अगर बालिग है और वोट का अधिकार रखता है तो उसके एक एक वोट से इस देश में शासन प्रशासन चलेगा, ये तय हो गया है। तो अब देश संविधान चलेगा, न कि राजा डंडा चलेगा। स्पीकर साहब ने ये कह दिया कि इमरजेंसी लगी थी कांग्रेस टाइम में, अभी वो भूले नहीं, तो R.K. चौधरी चूकने वाले नहीं हैं। ये जो सेंगोल का टॉपिक है, इसको निश्चित तौर पर हम हंगामा के साथ उठाएंगे, और मेरा मानना है कि अगर लोकतंत्र बचाना है तो सेंगोल को हटाना है।
So Sengol, remember, with much fanfare was brought into the Parliament. It was seen as a tradition that's part of the new Parliament building as well. But there's already been a showdown on that, and we'll be tracking the latest. I want to thank Amit Bhardwaj for now.